Hey Margo, it's your birthday. You're always, making sure everyone around you feels super special and cared for. So this time we thought we'd do the same for you.
Hi beautiful girl, I just want to say happy birthday. I hope you have the best day. I'm thinking about you and sending you so much love. Mwah.
Happy birthday! Have the best day ever!
Happy birthday, Margo. I wish you all the best and a great 30-second trip around the sun.
Happy birthday, Margo. Cheers to 32.
Hey sister, congratulations on being awesome for 32 years. I'm proud of you. I'm impressed with what you're doing with the podcast, at work. I'm impressed with your intelligence, the fact that you are better at sports than me, and potentially wiser, but I'm working on it. Keep being awesome, and I look forward to seeing you soon. I miss you, and I love you.
Happy birthday, Margo! Hope you have an awesome day. Sending you lots of love.
Happy birthday, Auntie Margo. I love when I can braid your hair whenever I see you, and when you leave candy at the lake for me.
Hello Margo, happy birthday. From the moment I met you, I knew you were unstoppable, you were admirable, and I'm just so blessed for every day that I've been able to be your friend and get to know you even more. I honestly wish you nothing but the best and the greatest love. I hope soon we can go to Starbucks together and just have a nice talk and just visit and just see how everything's been. But I love you, all the best, and happy birthday.
Hi you! Just want to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you have the best day ever. Mwah!
From this little guy and me. We wish we could be there to celebrate with you today, but as you can see, we have tons of energy, and we are sending all of that good energy to you because you are such a light to us. All the best to you today. Lots and lots and lots of love, and here's to the best year yet.
I just want to tell you how grateful I am for our friendship. You mean the world. You've been awesome. I'm so pumped that we connected and reconnected when I moved back to Winnipeg, and 7 years later, here we are. I'm currently walking really fast because I'm actually late for a date with you. So I will see you soon. Bonne fête, ma belle.